Baba, you can't swim.
I feel careful not. How long you want it?
Massive flooding affected Montego Bay due to continuous rainfall in many communities. A woman and a child were reportedly washed away by raging floodwaters near Westgate in the resort city. The Meteorological Service of Jamaica reported that there is a trough across Jamaica and the Central Caribbean that is expected to remain in the region over the next several days. The Met Service advised that residents should expect periods of showers and thunderstorms to continue across sections of most parishes, especially in the afternoons and evenings.
Peeps. Yes, on the 5th.
Why they would have to drive?
This